Breaking news. It's summer. We must be getting warmer. Why? Because today I came to get my stash of ginger and turmeric. I haven't been here for a few days to grab anything out, and I haven't planted these. And look at this. I have not even opened this one yet, but I did peek. Looky, looky, looky. This is a bucket of turmeric, and I came here to eat it. And I thought, what the heck? Well, I think I'm going to leave it uncovered right now. And obviously, the ones that are growing, I know you can't see because of the sun. Let's see what's in here. I have not looked. Honest to goodness, I have not looked. Okay, these are not growing yet. See, these are stored differently, but they are starting. What I'm going to do there, let me see if I've got some water. No, I don't. Let me see if I got some water over here. This is where I have plants that I'm working with and need a plant. I'm going to wet it a little bit, and then I'm going to come back because they're a little dry. And I'm going to eat some, freeze some, because if I don't freeze it, it could rot because they want to grow. So this was stored flat. It's been stored for months like this. They're alive. As you can see, they're growing all through there, see? This is growing, but obviously the turmeric is really anxious. So I'm going to take a piece to eat. Remember, turmeric is really easy to peel the skin. I could literally eat this whole thing, cut little tiny pieces off of the skin and grow the same thing. And then I'm going to keep this covered because this one's not really, just the buds are growing, but that is amazing. I'm going to get some of that planted. You know what? Come with me and let's go run and check the front. I just did a garden tour and they weren't growing, so I'm going to go check the front. You come with me. We are now out front. This is where I grow my ginger and turmeric. I'm thinking of setting up another place, but I don't know. And then we know that what's growing is a sunflower that some bird planted. My hands are muddy from just checking on the other thing. And I've got some zinnias in here. And I think this is a tomatillo. And of course, like I said, my stevia. So let's see what's going on here. I don't see anything. Now, anything marked with yellow or that lime green, scuba yellow, whatever they call it, that is ginger, okay? I don't see anything. Do you see anything? Not yet. I don't see anything here. Let's see. You're looking with me. Wait a minute. Oh no. See, this is flat. I'll show you something. That's a palm tree. Where do you think it came from? Up there. See, the sun is behind the palm tree. This gets morning sun only, and then afternoon sun it does not get. Okay, I don't see anything, so let's keep looking. No, again, palm. Let me tell you something. You can load a table up. See, there's water. I watered it last night or early this morning as well. And you can put leaves and stuff there, and you can make soil right underneath your pot. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. That's it. Okay, this is in a blue bucket. So this is my black turmeric. Let's see, is there anything back there? What is that? Nope, see, that was a palm. Nothing there. Okay, so we got this black one. This is turmeric, but that's black. And let's see. Wait. And there it is. So the black turmeric is first out front. That isn't what anything. Wait. That's a regular turmeric. Here's one here. They're popping. I'm going to say in the next few days, this place will be loaded. Now this is ginger. You can actually see the ginger. Let's just cover it up a little bit. Some people say bury it like 6 inches. I don't know why. I never have. And I've had terrific luck. So, wait a minute. No. See that? That's again a palm tree. It's very deceiving, but as soon as it opens, first of all, the ginger and turmeric is thicker. And see, there's the seed. I don't know if you can see that right there. But that is the seed. That's a palm tree seed. We don't want palm trees. All right, so we've got, what, 3 of them that have started out here. We've got 2. I planted the black turmeric in the blue buckets. I had 3 last year. I had 2 last year. And then I gave some to Gary. I don't want any more black turmeric. I'm only going to do the regular orange turmeric. And then I'm going to do ginger here, and that's it. So we've got 1 regular turmeric doing really, really good, and 2 blacks, and I don't see ginger yet. So we saw the ginger that was being stored in the tubs didn't quite grow. It's got the little bulbs just starting, it's just starting to show. So in the next few days, this should start growing. But the turmeric in the totes, oh my goodness. Now it was stored differently, so I can't say this is 100% because the turmeric, there was so much of it. My goodness, I can't believe how much I grew. I threw it in the bucket. I threw it in one of these floral pots. And then I had picked through a lot of ginger I replanted, and we were using it here and there. So I had less. I just threw it in the tote and I covered it. Not a good way of storing it. I should have put some potting soil in there and kept it just slightly damp, but more on the dry side. So that's it. I wanted to share with you. I am so excited. If you've got questions on how to grow it, I've done a lot of videos. Go ahead and ask me. I can get into more detail maybe on specifically one on ginger and one on turmeric. You saw how I plant it very close to the surface. That's just the way I do it. I use a mix. Sometimes I use potting mix. Sometimes I just use regular native soil I've got. I stuff the bottoms with leaves too from the bird garden. All my collared brassicas on the bottom, whatever leaves I've got actually. I could even pull the sunflower out and put that on the bottom. I'm just saying anything can go on the bottom. And then most of it has got some sort of soil. And then I just lightly cover it. If you're in an area where you're going to be warm and not too soggy, you can start it right away. You just don't want it to rot before it grows. It can't sit in water. It needs the soil to slightly dry. So that's it. I wanted to share with you. I'm so excited. And before we know it, it's going to blossom into a beautiful green growth table like it does every year. It's going to be more because now I planted more there. Gee, I don't know if I'm going to put some more here. I think I might load that up with some more buckets in the tote, and I might load that tote up, take that soil out, load it up with leaves and stuff, wood and stuff from the yard, and then put the pots on top. So while I water the pots, the tote does have holes. It will go in there. Earthworms will come to it, break it all down. I'll have extra soil whenever I want, and I can always push some ginger around. Not turmeric. Turmeric is a pain to harvest in a big tote, but easy in buckets. So with that, I just wanted to share that with you today. I'm so excited. So this is kind of like a vlog on my turmeric and ginger, but summer has blossomed. It is here. It is time to start growing your ginger and turmeric. Keep it in an area that gets a lot of sun. If you're in a cooler area, if you're more in a desert area where you have a lot of heat, and it's very hot, then you want to give it morning and early afternoon sun. It can't take the burning hot sun late in the day. It literally won't grow. It just yellows out the plant and it struggles. It just depends on where you are. And this is, I guess you would say, an east-facing wall, because that is where the sun rises. With that, have a wonderful, wonderful day. Yay! And don't forget to eat what you grow. Oh, how exciting. See, this one hasn't started yet, but it might be part of that one. Oh, cool. There it is. That's it. Cool, cool, cool.